And about the ninth hour, Jesus cried with a loud voice, saying, Eloi, Eloi, lama sabachthani. That is to say, my God, why hast thou forsaken me? May God bless you. Amen. Tin Beliang mun hun lai vel chuan Isua chu oring takin Eloi, Eloi, lama sabachthani ti ina au chuaka chu kapathian enga nge mikal san ti na ani keima wang le keima ta na soi lalpan malsawm che rawh se. Amen.